ni GM Garma, ang pinagmalaki mo lang sa kanya ay kasama ka sa team. Most likely, hindi ka naman sniper, correct? Hindi ka naman nag-aaral ng long shot, tama?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Oo, at pag tinignan naman natin yung ban, FB ban, ikaw yung, well, allegedly, pag nakikita natin yung itsura, lahat, may bumabang isang malaki katawan. Ikaw, nag-bodybuilding ka, di ba?
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako
Hindi ka nagba-bodybuilding?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So, natural yung katawan mo?
Push up lang minsan, Mr. Chair.
Na ganyan na malaki. So, hindi namin sinasabi na ikaw yung bumarel. Kasi yung FB, most likely, andun yung mga tao, andun yung driver, no? At nung umatras doon sa may pader, na kung saan andun yung munisipyo, doon tinira si Mayor Perez. And doon din sa kay Tony Halili, may nakita din doon na malaki katawan, pareho ng relo mo, pareho ng build mo, pareho ng gupit mo. Di ba? But, of course, hindi natin ma-identify yung mukha. And even din sa kay Mayor Cesar Perez, hindi rin natin ma-identify yung mukha kasi may takip. Di ba? At actually, as a matter of fact, hindi pa natin na-enhance yung mga video na to because we just received it yesterday. So, now, most likely, kung tama yung assessment ni GM Garma, nakasama ka lang sa team at ikaw lang nag-organize, ikaw lang nag-intel, ikaw lang nag-operate nung operation, ay hindi ikaw ang gunman na bumira doon. At kung ito'y utos lamang sa inyo, no? Most likely, syempre, we can understand na ang inyong ginagawang trabaho is yung pong tinatawag po nating war on drugs. Di ba? We're not saying that you are all involved in the killing, the actual shooting of the mayors, but maybe part of the team as what GM Garma was saying, no? And as a matter of fact, yung pong sinasabi ni former senator about the reward system at sinasabi din ni GM Garma, most likely ito yung nakuha nila. But this is not all about money. This is all about the order coming from the higher ups, no? Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Major Captain Albotra, during the time that Mayor Cesar Perez was killed on December 3, 2020, ano ka nun at nasaan ka nun?
Mr. Chair, ako po ay nasa Cebu. Actually, Mr. Chair, nakita ko po yung video kanina at 100% po ako na hindi po ako yun, Mr. Chair, kasi tayo po ang the best na nakakilala sa sarili natin. And nung binanggit niyo po yung picture, Mr. Chair, nag-send po sa akin yung kaibigan ko kung saan ako, Mr. Chair, and I can show it here, Mr. Chair, kung saan po ako sa Cebu City, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so hindi ka lumipad ng Manila during that time?
Pardon, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ka lumipad, pumunta ng Maynila from
Yes
Cebu
po, Mr.
during
Chair.
that time?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. How did you able to get a in accordance with your affidavit, nakakuha ka nakasecure ka ng 2018 na ticket, yung booking reference mo sa Cebu Pacific na kino-confirm yung flight mo going back to Cebu nung June 29, 2018. Were you able to secure this from Cebu Pacific?
Yan po ay saved email po, Mr. Chair. Luckily, nandun po sa email po, Mr. Chair, yung mga electronic tickets na yun na po, Mr. Chair.
Ito nung umalis ka nung June 29, 2018.
June 29 po, yan po yung nagkuha po ako ng ticket, and yung schedule ko po is June 30, Mr. Chair.
June 30,
Opo,
nung
Mr.
bumalik ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Di ba?
Yes,
tama.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, the whole of December and November of 2020, you were in Cebu.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Siguraduhin mo, during the whole time of November and the whole time of December, you were in Cebu. December 3. Prior to December 3, 2020, the whole of November and the whole of December, you were in Cebu. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Cebu ka?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. So, Chairman, for the meantime, I yield to you, to the Chairman.
Sige, thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chairman.
Hernandez. If I may lang, I will recognize you, Your Honors. I'll just have a short question. Gusto ko lang malaman, for my education, kapag ang pangalan ng isang pulis ay may nakalagay PEMS, ano ibig sabihin nun? PEMS. PEMS. Okay. Sige. Kasi meron akong information. Gusto ko lang tanungin si Major Albotra kung kilala mo ba si PEMS Reynaldo Solantes.
Kilala ko po siya, Mr. Chair.
Kilala mo ba si PEMS Arvin Talaver? Giroy.
Hindi ko po kilala, Mr. Chair.
Arvin Giroy, hindi?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Kilala. So, si Reynaldo Solantes, kilala mo?
Matagal na po, Mr. Chair.
Saan siya naka-assign ngayon?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ay, hindi mo alam.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
So, siya ba ay sniper?
Wala po akong idea, Mr. Chair. Sniper po siya, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi mo alam.
Yes,
Kung
Mr. Chair.
meron kaming ipakita sa yung litrato na magkasama kayo at meron kayong pinapaputok na mga sniper rifle, naniniwala ka na?
Siguro, Mr. Chair.
Sige, I'm sure that will later. Congressman Paduano?
Mr. Chairman, going back to the service record of all those invited resource person with regards from the PNP, Mr. Chairman, we have already received a copy of the service record of those police officers from 2015 to 2019. And can I address the DPRM to submit to this committee? Is the DPRM representative present? Kindly submit all the service record of all those police officers being mentioned in this hearing. Kasi kahit yung kay Colonel Patay, we will receive until 2019, and the subject now for investigation in Los Baños was in the year 2020. Kindly submit it before the next hearing.
We will comply, sir.
Please, thank you. Mr. Chairman, I think Congressman Umaren is raising his hand before I...
Yes. Mr. Chairman, one inquiry lang. Do we need to list our names in the one class? Yes, sir. It's going to be a free flowing.
Yes, there's a list that we maintain. So if you want to interpolate any of our resource persons, please signify your intention by calling the attention of our committee secretary.
Okay, thank you.
But we have already exhausted the list. If you want to ask, Your Honor, you may ask. Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My question na probably General Nick De La Torre can address this question of mine. Di ba sa PNP, may mga certain expertise dyan? Halimbawa sa explosive ka, sa pagbabarel, marksmanship, and everything. Because based on the report, yung bumarel kay Halili was 160 meters, about 520 feet ang layo ng barel. So basically, pag sa PNPA or training, di ba meron tayong tinitrain na talagang trabaho nila mga snipers? Tama po ba, General Nicolas De La Torre?
Yes, sir.
So, yung pag ganon, malalaman natin kung sino lang yung may capability ng ganong kalayong bumarel at kung ano yung hawak na, yung expertise o kung ano yung sanay nilang barel na ginagamit?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, did we invite the one who's in charge of sa academy teaching you our PNPA? Meron in charge po dyan, di ba po, General?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman? Did we invite the one in charge doon sa marksmanship o yung shooter talaga na nagte-train ng distance shooting sa PNPA? Because I think we can he can grade, he can tell us kung sino yung talagang magaling, sino yung ganitong police na humahawak ng ganitong barel, sino yung kayang bumarel from this distance. Because based on the, it's about 520, ang layo eh. So, special talent to 160 meters or 520 feet. So, special gun, then special individual who can make that range talagang accurate eh.
Well, unfortunately, we have not invited the expert, no?
The one teaching.
The one teaching our PNP personnel. But if you wish to for the committee to invite him in our next hearing, we will do so.
I think it's parang easier for us to zero in kung sino yung mga top students nila and everything that is capable of firing that range and that particular ammunition. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
So, Comsec, please take note that in the next hearing of the topic extrajudicial killings, we will ask the help of Camp Krame to provide us information as to who are the trainers, no, on the marksmanship of the PNP personnel. So,
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Abante, before Mr. Tamisin, si Congressman Abante, ano po ang sasabihin ni Mr. Tamisin?
Gusto ko lang po sanang sabihin yung point pagdating po dun sa sketch na inilabas na hindi ko naman mukha. Kung po pwede
sige,
na po.
I'll give you the time later, ha? O sige, si
Yes, Your
Congressman Abante. You're
Mr. Chair,
recognized.
I really would like to ask the question to Councilor Norvin, no? Anyway, nagsabi ka na ng nais mo at talagang nakulong ka na ng ilang buwan. Diba?
7 buwan po, Your Honor.
7 buwan. At yung pagkakulong mo, nasira na yung buhay mo. Pati ang pamilya mo, muntik ng magkasabog-sabog, hindi ba?
Opo, at nabubuli po yung mga anak ko.
Palagay ko naman meron kang pwedeng sabihin sa patayan na yan. Ang iniisip ko maigi, ano ba talaga ang batayan ng pagpatay na ganyan? O siguro meron kang alam na naniniwala ka ba na ang pumatay kay Mayor Perez ay pulis din na katulad ng pagkakapatay kay Mayor Halili?
Sa tingin ko po, sa mga ginamit, sa pagkilos, at higit sa lahat, yung pagkukubli ng katotohanan ng mismong mga gumawa na Task Force Perez at opisyales o PNP Los Baños, Your Honor.
O meron ka bang nalalamang mga pulis na maaaring sila ang may kagagawa ng pagkakapatay?
Base lang po sa aking pagsasaliksik, nung nagsalita po si Madam Garma, Your Honor, ay tinignan ko po ang video ng lumalabas na lalaki sa Shell Tanawan at tinignan ko kung anong pagkakahawig doon sa lumabas na video naman po na aaligid sa Los Baños.
At kung ituturo mo ngayon yan, may ituturo mo kung sino?
Sa aking opinion po ay si Captain Albotra.
Pakituro nyo nga po. Tumayo nga kayo, pakituro nyo kung siya.
Nasa may dulo po ng aking kanan.
Ayan. Yan po ang pinaghihinalaan yung pumatay kay Mayor Perez.
Iyon po yung nakikita ko base sa mga napanood ko at mga pinagbasihan ko po ng mga litrato, pagkilos at pagkakasabing po ni Madam Colonel Garma po,
Ibig
Your Honor.
sabihin, ang pinakabatayan ninyo, Mr. Chair, ang pinakabatayan ninyo, yung binanggit ni Colonel Garma, yun ang pinakabatayan nyo.
Yun po yung simula.
Yun ang simula.
Hanggang magsaliksik po tayo, Your Honor.
Ano pa ang ilang batayan ninyo?
Tinignan ko po yung, kung titignan nyo yung mga body build, yung kanyang
Meron
shoulder.
po kayong kopya ng mga ganon?
Meron po.
Okay. Palagay ko yung po bang pinakita ni Congressman Fernandez, yung po ba yung mga pictures na yan?
Opo. Pati na rin po yung mga klase ng relo, pati yung kanyang mga binte,
Ayan.
pagsuot ng cap, paglakad, mga
Oo.
baraso.
Ito ba to? Ito ba? Ito ba? Yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero sinasabi po ni Kapitan na hindi siya ito. Right? Kapitan, hindi ikaw to, no?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Hindi po ako yan, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ikaw ito.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Wala kang ganitong relos? Wala?
Hindi ko po makita, Mr. Chair.
Ito.
Page.
Pakita mo nga. Tignan natin kung mayroon.
Page, can you...
Yan, pakita mo. Yan, pakita mo. Yan. Ito. Kamukha mo to eh. O palagay ko, ginagaya mo lang si Alice Guo, meron kang double. Yan.
Yung yellow.
So habang iniintay natin yan, matanong ko lang si Colonel Garma. Do you know Mr. Ray Solantes?
I always hear his name sa Region 7 when I was assigned there, Mr. Chair.
So, member din siya ng CIDG.
No, Mr. Chair. Sa Police Regional Office siya assigned.
PRO 7.
R2, yes, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
R2 siya. Okay, sige. Thank you. So, si Mr. Captain Albotra, from Region 7, from Cebu City, nalipat ka sa Calamba, Laguna, tama?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Sinong kasama mong ilipat from PRO 7 to Calamba? Sino-sino ang mga kasama mo na inilipat?
Si PO3 Eugene Calumba tsaka PMS yata is PO3 Miljen Bolandres po, Mr. Chair.
So si Solantes kasama mo?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo kasama si Solantes nung nilipat ka from Cebu to Calamba?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Sige, salamat. Congressman Fernandez, please proceed. Congressman Abante.
Okay, Colonel Garma, you said that in the killing of Mayor Halili, you mentioned the name Albotra. Why did you mention it?
Sir?
Why?
Naalala ko pong sinabi niyo sa akin. Actually,
Who
wala naman
said
ako.
it? Sino sabi?
Kenneth Albotra po.
Si Kenneth Albotra
Yes,
mismo.
sir.
Oh,
Wala
so you
akong-
know Kenneth Albotra.
Yes, sir. When naging tao ko po yan sa Cebu City Police, nung nag-courtesy call po siya, in confidence siguro niya nasabi sa akin na kwento niya. And of course, I'm the city director during that time.
Yes.
And wala pa akong sama ng loob dyan kay Albotra po. Wala po. Actually, maayos naman po yung pagtrabaho niya during my time. And I treated him very well. So I think magsabi na lang po sana siya ng totoo para matapos na lang po.
So ibig
For
sabihin,
the peace of mind of everyone na lang po.
when you met him, he was the one that told you the story.
Opo, he volunteered out of confidence.
Ano pong sinabi niya sa inyo?
Ang sabi niya lang po is, ma'am, kami po yung nagtrabaho kay Halili. Paano ba nakuha si Halili, si Mayor, taga saan? Binigay niyo po niya details. Sharpshooter po ang may gawa. Ganun po.
Captain Albotra, iyo bang pinapatunayan itong sinabi ni Colonel Garma na mataas na official mo? O nagkita ba kayo? Nabanggit mo sa kanya yung mga ganyang bagay? O nagsisinungaling si Colonel Garma at this point in time?
At this point of time po, sorry po, nagsisinungaling po si Ma'am Garma, Mr. Chair.
Nagsisinungaling si Colonel Garma.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw ang nagsasabi ng totoo.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Chairman, siguro tanongin natin, anybody from, Sergeant ba yun? SPO4 Solantes? Anybody from PNP can tell us kung saan naka-assign si Solantes during that time? of the death of Tony Halili and Mayor Cesar Perez. We need to find out kung saan siya naka-assign. Is he also a part of the CIDG, Colonel Patay, during your time?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi siya naka-assign sa CIDG?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sa Colonel Petalio, sa Region 4, sa Laguna? Solantes?
Wala pa akong maalala may ano, sir. Apelido.
Wala kang maalala?
Wala.
So hindi sure?
Yes, sir. Hindi sure, sir.
Can you kindly
check namin, sir.
check it out?
Yes, sir.
No? General Acop, asan ba si General Acop? Ha? Okay, sige. We'll try to find it out. Thank you.
Yeah, apparently
Chairman.
kasi, itong si PMS Reynaldo Solantes at saka si PMS Giroy are sharpshooters ng Philippine National Police. So we'd like to find out kung saan sila na-assign noong mga panahon na yon. So maybe we will ask the personnel to provide us that information. Yes, Congressman Paduano, and then Congressman Lordan Suwan, and then Congressman Keith Flores.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Follow up ko lang doon kay Captain Albutra. You mentioned two police personnel that were brought by you or assigned in Calamba. Sino-sino yun? Yung dalawa?
Si PO3 Eugene Calumba, Mr. Chair, and
PO3?
Eugene Calumba, Mr. Chair, and
Karumba? Karumba?
yes, Mr. Chair.
Karumba and?
I don't know anong rank, Mr. Chair. Miljen Bulandres, Mr. Chair.
Bulandres. Bulandres, hindi Bilandres, Bulandres. Okay. Anyway, yung assignment ng dalawa, kasi ikaw, nung dumating ka doon, you were assigned doon sa DEO. Tama? O Calamba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ang assignment ng dalawa?
Doon din po, Mr. Chair.
Doon din. The same date kayo pumasok? The same date din kayo kinancel yung ano nyo, assignment?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Marami.
Sandali. Yes or no lang po?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The same?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So what a coincidence. Ano daw ang basis ng pag-relieve sa inyo at saka yung assignment nyo? But inassign kayo doon, then after few days, kinansila, then binalik kayo. Oh.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, anong opo? Tanong ko, bakit kinansila? Anong basis daw o reason?
Si RD po ang...
Who is that RD the time?
General Ted Caranza po, Mr. Chair.
Si Caranza is now the OIC Mayor of
Yes.
Silang Cavite.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, who is the Chief of Police the time?
That was then Lieutenant Colonel Ulsano, Mr. Chair.
Lieutenant Colonel
Ulsano.
Luzano?
Ulsano po.
Ulsano? Anong klase yung Ulsano? Active ba ngayon yung Ulsano?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Active pa? Saan naka-assign?
No
As far
idea
as you
po
know.
kung saan, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the PNP to facilitate the present assignment of Light Colonel Ulsano and to be invited in the next hearing? Kasi ito po yung Chief of Police nung nangyari yung Mayor Halili killing. Now, hindi ka man lang, Captain Albutra, hindi ka man lang nagtaka na you were assigned, you were relieved in Cebu. Prior to your relief, ano ba yung position mo doon sa Cebu?
Station Commander, Mr. Chair.
Station Commander of what?
Station 1. Mr. Chair.
Station 1. That's 2018.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gano'ng kakatagal doon na Station 1 Commander?
I think only 2 months, Mr. Chair, before po na-issuehan ng order, Mr. Chair.
So, 2 months ka lang na Station 1 Commander, then nirelieve ka, and then assigned to Calamba, ganon? Then, kinansila ulit, binalik ka na naman sa Cebu?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Yun po ang nangyari, Mr.
O
Chair.
prior to Station 1, anong assignment mo?
Sa Deputy Dumaguete Police Station po yata, Mr. Chair, sa Negros Oriental PPO, Mr. Chair.
Anong posisyon mo doon sa Negros Oriental?
Deputy Dumaguete Chief of Police, Mr. Chair.
Dumaguete City mismo.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Your rank the time is lieutenant o kapitana?
Major po, Mr. Chair.
Major. Okay. So, deputy ka ng Dumaguete. Anong buwan yon ng 2018?
Di ko po siguro mga ano po yung Mr. Chair, mga February, January, mga ganun, Mr. Chair. December, January, February.
So from Dumaguete,
Tama.
from Dumaguete, binalik ka, dahil Region 7 yung Dumaguete, di ba? Binalik ka sa region, then you were assigned as Station 1 Commander of Cebu City.
From Dumaguete, Mr. Chair, assigned po ako sa Station 1 of Cebu City.
Station 1 nga,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
as the commander of the station.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gaano ka katagal sa Dumaguete?
Madali lang po, Mr. Chair.
Madali ulit? Mga ilang buwan lang?
Mga 4 months siguro, Mr. Chair.
Naku, bakit yung assignment mo, tingnan mo tingnan mo ang assignment mo, parang pinadala ka lang doon, tapos may gagawin ka, then ililipat ka na, i-relieve ka, balik ka Station 1, 2 months ka Station 1, tatapon ka ulit sa Calamba, matter of days, pinakansila, binalik ka ulit sa Cebu.
Yung sa Negros po, Mr. Chair, yung Dumaguete is, galing po ako ng Deputy Investigation, napunta akong Dumaguete, tapos nag-schooling po ako ng Investigation Officers Basic Course, Mr. Chair.
6 months.
Parang, hindi naman umabot, Mr. Chair.
Pero the time, saan ang assignment mo?
Sa Dumaguete, Mr. Chair.
Sa Dumaguete.
Yes,
After
Mr.
your schooling,
Ayun, sa Station 1, Mr. Chair.
andali. So naunang schooling, o nahuling schooling before assignment in Station 1?
Nauna po, Mr. Chair.
Nauna. So after Dumaguete as deputy ng Dumaguete Police Station, Police Office, nag-schooling ka.
Nung schooling po ako, Mr. Chair, doon pa po yung unit ko sa Dumaguete.
O nga, pero nag-schooling ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So hindi 4 months.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Gano'n.
Pero yung regular duty mo, 4 months lang. Tapos sa schooling ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O tapos, 4 months, then you assigned sa Station 1. After 2 months, you were assigned again sa Calamba. Sa Calamba. Then, after few days, binalik ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganito po, matanong kita, bago ko balikan yung yung kay Ma'am Garma. So, nung sa Dumaguete ka, that was 2018, your rank is major.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Ba't ka na-demote? Anong kaso mo?
Na-cancel po yung promotion order ko po nung major, Mr. Chair, kasi po parang may problema po doon sa eligibility ko po, Mr. Chair.
May problema sa eligibility mo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yun lang, wala kang kaso.
Wala po, Mr. Chair. Hindi po yung demotion but cancellation po, Mr. Chair, ng order.
So from 2018, supposedly, major ka na because of that eligibility problem, hindi ka na-promote until now.
Mr. Chair, supposed to be magpapapromote na po sana ako ng Lieutenant Colonel but
When was that? Paano ka ma-promote ng Lieutenant Colonel na nakansila nga yung pagka-major mo from captain? Pwede ba yun?
Yun po yung dahilan, Mr. Chair, kasi saka lang po nila nalaman nung naghalungkat po ng order, Mr. Chair. Kaya nung nalaman nila, yun po, na-cancel po yung last promotion order ko po.
Okay. So you were already promoted as major.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Kinancel because when you apply for promotion for light colonel, doon nakita
Yes, Mr.
na
Chair.
may problema kasi eligibility mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, when was that?
Bago lang po, Mr. Chair. I think 2 months ago, Mr. Chair.
2 months ago.
Yes,
So
Mr.
balik kapitan ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the DPRM to submit also the service record, and that includes the promotion and the cancellation of the reason for the cancellation of the promotion of Captain Albotra.
Mr. Chair,
Please.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
I'll just ask one clarificatory question. Ano yung sinasabi mong eligibility na wala ka kaya hindi ka na-promote?
Mr. Chair, yung ginamit ko po noon na eligibility was only police inspector, and sabi po ng DPRM nung time na nagpapapromote ako is hindi na po daw valid yun, Mr. Chair.
Napolcom, can you say something about that? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?